Yeah, my beautiful people, this is DJ SWICKED Vlogs, you know what I mean? And today I'm about to go to the Western Union, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, I want to take the time out to big up Natalie, you know what I mean? Yeah, I didn't know if she really want me to advertise her over the vlog, but I mean, yeah man, when people do great things, you have a grateful feet, you see me? Yeah man, and she send a little token to, you know, purchase a rod. So guys, I'm here really truly grateful, appreciated. So right now guys, I'm about to head out on the road to go to the Western Union, you know what I mean? So guys, yeah man, stay tuned for that one. Yeah man, whatever I may do today on this little process, keep you guys updated, and you know what I mean? Yeah man, so guys, just continue, like up the channel, share up the channel, subscribe to the channel. Guys, do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah man, because who God bless no man curse, you know. Guys, if you keep watching all of these vlogs, just please do the right thing, click the subscribe button, you know, subscribe to her, so whenever I drop a vlog, you guys can see it, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, one love. Yeah man, peace out. So I just come out of the taxi. So you know me there in a market, you know. You see me guys, I go head to the Western Union now. Don't know, you can just take a little view. You see me? Yeah man, they don't like Plaza. They buy the Plaza and market there guys. Yeah, so as you see me, I go to the Western Union now guys. So stay tuned for that guys. I don't think I can have no camera in the Western Union, but you know, yeah, I try the right thing guys. You know, here's the Western Union, there's a Bill Express sign here. So guys, you don't know out here, I try the right thing guys. Yeah man, so don't worry about it. Stay tuned for this. Chief, how we are to give away, I don't know, but it's funny. Hey guys, I'm in Western Union line now, guys. So stay tuned and me pick up, me just let you guys know what's popping, you know. It's been around hour and little me there in the Western Union line, you know. And I tell you, it was really hectic, but now I go try to go at the little place where them sell a rod and check out the price, see how the price stay around there, you know. So stay tuned for that guys. Yeah man, don't worry about it. So right now I don't know, me I try to see if I can go get the rod now, so guys, stay tuned for that, you see me? You know the ball game go already. Let me see if I can get the rod now, so school as I know. Yeah guys, hope they have the rod around here. You know, them always have some nice stuff. The fishing, you know. Hope them have more on today. You know, that's a buzz guys. That's a buzz. Blessings in general. I hear so them sell a rod and stuff.
Yeah, but we're not rod. Fish is up and gone. Two fish that right now, most of them rod gone.
Rod not really there in here so today, so guys, me have to go check out the next place. So yeah man, just stay tuned for that guys, and me keep on posted on what's going on. You see me? Yeah man, don't worry about it guys. Yeah man, see little settings there. Don't know bicycle every little thing. So you know that's some vibes guys. They are the place where sell a rod now guys. And as you can see I have 18,000 $250. You have 16,000 and you have 10,000 for this one. This is a nice big size. Yeah, and this one is a 6 guys. So yeah, I feel like more than just go and hold a little one for the time being, a little 6 grand, because the one here for 9, you see me, and it's not like I have the money there, and the next one here for 12. So guys, I feel like I'm gonna work with that little cheap one for the time being, you know, cause you have to start from somewhere. You see me? Yeah man, so hope you guys like it and all of that.
Y'all get the something with it.
You see me?
Y'all get the machine in it. Y'all want the way I say
Ishan, I'm not sure. You know,
that just stick look like alone, you know. You know, I'll get the
that's a
machine
stick
in it.
alone. Oh,
I'll get the machine.
so I don't see, guys, see that? They must say it's the one with for 6,000. You know, get the machine with it, so. So that one you have for 9 grand.
Yeah, I'll get the stick
Yeah.
and everything.
So the one for 9 grand me have for those. You see me? Well, the donor, they just send 7,000. And in a Jamaican money it's $7,150. You see me? But yeah, me I go make it up and do what me have to do, because you have to appreciate the small things that people do. You see me? And I nothing for me just take the time out and, you know, just make it up, because yeah, not like me have the money like that, but me have to try do what me have to do. You see me? They say if you want good, you know what's have to run, right? Yeah man, so guys, yeah man, just go and pray for me and hope for many blessings, and you see me? DJ SWICKED vlogs. Hope feet get bigger one night time and all of that. Yeah man, it's a good setting still guys. You have line down there, so you have hook and all of that. You have baits. You see me? See them have some baits there guys. You see me? So it's a nice little vibes place so me can come buy some fishing gears and stuff guys. Yeah man. Because as a hard way, I have to come purchase the rod, and to come the price come to 9,905 $9,905. So yeah guys, we grab one nice little rod. Don't get it as yet, but we pay a fee. Waiting on it, you know what I mean? So just here waiting for it to reach in my hands. Here's the rod guys. Here's the rod. I mean, you can also pull it out of the plastic. Just hold it for me. Guys, this is the rod, you know? Reach home and pick it up. Let you guys see what look, you know what I mean?
This coming up?
Yeah guys, and do remember, me do appreciate it, you know, my first rod, you know. Yeah man, and if I never for you guys wanna have a rod, you know. So yeah man, give thanks guys, do appreciate it, you know. Yeah, and I want to tell you, I not even have enough memory on this vlogging camera like that, you know. So me have to just, you know, video and cut them short. Yeah guys, but here's the rod, so you know, pray for me, pray for every time I fling it out, I can catch some fish, you know, and you guys can feel great. So love you guys always, keep like and share, you see me, keep subscribe to my channel. See you here guys. I don't know if you can see the receipt. Yeah guys, but this is the receipt, total price there, and you know how much money we give them. So yes guys, we get the rod. That's the vibes. Yeah man, so about to leave the hardware now guys. Yeah man, so just stay blessed and bless up on yourself. See me. Hopefully next time we can come by this hardware to grab some more stuff, you know? Yeah man, don't know hardware settings guys. Yeah man. Why Natalie? I want to tell them I do appreciate it, you know. Yeah man, make up the money and grab one rod, cause it's hard to know, so you send, you know, that little money there, and me I go just come and make a video and say, boy, I'm gonna purchase it and maybe have a little, so I could make it up, you know. So yeah guys, do the right thing, and me have a rod now, so hopefully me can get the next one or two more, and you know, that's it. One little ice box on our time and stuff. So one love guys. Yeah man, thanks for sharing the love and kindness. See you, blessings always, you know. Fully SWICKED.
Right up on the east side. See that?
Mr. Badman.
One SWICKED. SWICKED just go get a Shakespeare.
You see that?
You think a joke?
You think Rambo here?
You know them man that deal with the
Fish
sea,
them in a car, you don't know.
the sea life. What?
Yeah, man, man, I say fish in a car, man, I go say, why, hombre?
Yo, right now, the man that deal with the sea life. Wicked. Narcotic style. They don't know it. Go bring me. Narcotic.
Yo, you think a little line burn up me and out of
No, we not normal, though.
So, me give thanks to all the people.
Yeah, man. I'm glad for know say people them do right, man.